jamming.
My life is for people, that I can be beneficial to a people.
It's the official premiere for the Bob Marley movie, One Love, red carpet style. So many beauties at the premiere of One Love. Zia Benjamin, first of all, I heard that you casted for a role in the movie.
Oh my God. Yes, I casted for Cindy Breakspear.
What was that experience like?
It was amazing. Act like Auntie Cindy. You know, for me it's like we all grew up with her. So it's great.
We heard Daughters of Aston Barrett, we heard Aisha Barrett. First of all, Aisha, what was it like growing up in such a musical household?
Wow, it was crazy, but very interesting. Loving household.
Did some of that musical abilities rub off on you?
Yes, I'm actually a recording artist, Grammy nominated.
Oh, just had to squeeze that one in.
Yeah, of course.
Praise to the Lord, and I will feel all
Right now we're here with the head of commerce for Red Stripe, Sean. First of all, congratulations. It's a great staging for the launch tonight.
No, thank you so much. I mean, the team did a wonderful job. Obviously, when we heard about a Bob Marley movie premiering in Jamaica, we said Red Stripe is an iconic brand, represents Jamaica worldwide. Bob Marley, of course, the legend. We felt anything that has Jamaican culture and music, we feel that Red Stripe should be a big part of it. It's the first time I'm gonna see it. I'm very excited to see what's going on. Obviously, we all grew up hearing stories of Bob Marley and his life, and I think it's gonna be really good to see it put on stage.
Gina Marvin, what was it like for you to see your own son play on the big screen?
I was very proud and happy.
The film did justice to what your reality was.
I think the reality is one love.
Another father-son duo in the movie. What was it like playing your dad in the film?
It was like a times 10 dream come true.
dirty remarks. There is one question.
It was amazing. I love the experience, everything.
It must be a great feeling to see yourself up on the screen.
Yeah, man, it's a blessing. I give thanks, you know what I mean?
This was something truly special and a night to remember.
See the goosebumps. You know when you grow up your dream for be on the big screen, and then when it finally happened, I said, Jano, and then for see your name in the credits, I said, yeah.
Film, first of all, how does it feel to see the final product?
Well, it was awesome, you know. Awesome. I would have said, irie.
What was it like experiencing the premiere tonight?
It was otherworldly, and I will call it surreal.
What are your final thoughts after watching the premiere tonight?
Whoa, I think it was perfect. Paramount perfect.
To play a character like Bob, you know, there's so much expectation, how it's gonna be, how it's gonna come across, and I was really impressed.
Definitely one that every Jamaican can be proud of. Bob Marley, One Love.